Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls, and we're going to do an unboxing of the new Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360. Bit of a mouthful. This is a huge laptop. This is a 16-inch. This is the model with 16 gigs of RAM. It has a half terabyte drive. This runs for about $2,200 brand new. So let's take a look at what we get in the box. Okay, so as we open it up, we are presented with a charger, so I'm going to assume it's going to be probably 30 watt full. Yeah, 30 watts, or is it a 45? It'll do 45 as well. So there's a charger in it there for you, and it's USB-C, so that's always good. Boom, there. Now, open this up. This is the laptop itself, obviously. Like I said, it's huge. And we got an S Pen in here as well. So we have an S Pen to play around with. And we have a fairly large USB-C cable to plug in as we go on the go. I'm just going to probably plug it into my docks that I usually have and adapters. So let's take a look at this puppy here. Open this bad boy up. Okay. I don't want to rip it. I do not like ripping packaging, especially when you're going to have to send this one back eventually. So, boom shakalaka. Man, that is thin. That is as thin as my Pixel book. That is awesome thin. Big. Still thin is one thing, but when it's wide and large, still big. So, there is the keyboard. Huge trackpad for you to do all sorts of gestures on it. Let's see if we can turn this puppy on. Just give it an idea of a display. Or is it going to be dead? Come on. Yeah, it's going to be dead. But it doesn't look like that's going to be a fingerprint sensor in there. We can use that. Keys feel really nice and sleek. We have USB-C, we have which looks like a micro SD card slot, a headphone jack. We are going to have on the other side 2 USB-C connectors and a straight out HDMI port. And because it's a 360 model, this is a hinged device so that we can use it right around. So there we go. Cool. Okay, so I'll play with it for a little bit and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. Thanks.